Today we're unboxing and reviewing a new pair of sunglasses from Wiley X, the Founder. If you're looking for glasses that blend Z87 Plus high impact protection and everyday style, stick around because these might be your next go-to frame. Inside the box, you get the glasses themselves, a microfiber storage pouch, and the attachable side shields. Pretty solid setup, especially if you're outdoors a lot for fun or for work. The Wiley X Founder has a medium fit frame and a classic square shape, kind of similar to the Oakley Holbrooks. With dual injected rubbers, the temples feel snug but not too tight, and there's no pressure behind the ears. The frames are made with triloid nylon, which is super durable, lightweight, and ANSI Z87.1 certified, which means that impact protection is built in, especially when considering that these come with attachable side shields. Just snap them into the bottom of the temples and you instantly have protection on all sides. The lenses are made with shatterproof polycarbonate material with 100% UVA/UVB light protection. This pair has a gray base with Captivate mirror lenses and the clarity is impressive. Colors really pop with the Captivate lens technology and the mirror coating helps with glare reduction. Additionally, because of their low base curve, these glasses can be ordered with a wide variety of prescription options from us at RX Safety. Find these and many other Wiley X models through the links down below. And while you're there, make sure to hit like and subscribe to see more reviews like this in the future.